Jim's just going to turn the first straight. Good. All right, perfect. Racer should be the way you qualify. So we got Robin 1, Chuck 2, Walter 3, Ryan 4, Reed 5, and Jim 6. Again, it is Rob 1, Chuck 2, Walter 3, Ryan 4, Reed 5, and Jim 6. So we're going to get Rob going on the cone in less than 5. Chuck, Walter, Ryan, Reed, and then Jim. All right, stadium Chuck. This is short course at Collinsville Redneck Cross, but not short course. Right now, after lap 2, I got Chuck in the top, followed by Walter, Ryan, Rob, Jim, and Reed. Rob looking for a way around Chuck, goes valley out and down the straightaway. Rob goes to the inside, goes inside, outside. Away he goes. But right now, I got Walter up to half a second lead on this pack, and he's actually right behind Chuck right now. So right now, Walter has a 1.3 second lead on Chuck. Chuck has a 1.3 second lead on Ryan. Ryan's got a 1.6 second lead on Rob. Rob's got a 7.8 second lead on Reed. And Reed's got a 2.4 second lead on Jim. 3:30 remaining. Pass off Harder goes to Rob, and he's in third place right now. He did a 15.847, and then he just ran a 15.561. He's got open track ahead of him. Right now, Walter can hold on to his pace. He'll move up one spot to second overall, dropping Chuck down. Chuck and Walter right now, 4/10 of a second apart. Walter 2, Chuck at 3. Rob's already got 2.6 second lead on the field. Yes, past the halfway mark now, drivers. Rob right now is on a better than PQ pace too. So 2 minutes remaining. It's Rob followed by Walter, Ryan, Chuck, Noah, and Reed and Jim. Ooh, Jim just ran his pass out on 19.047. Right now, the top 4 drivers. That's Rob, Walter, Ryan, and Chuck. Separated less than 10 seconds. Ooh, they're jumping side by side. Walter and Chuck over the double. Right now, they've actually caught up to Ryan. Between Ryan, Walter, and Chuck, there's like 2.2 seconds. They're all a little bit issues.
Oh, how do I get dumped?
Good sportsmanship there, Rob. Thank you for waiting there, Jim. That's awesome. Thank you. If they did that, and now Ryan and Chuck have gone away from Walter. You can see that on the RC. They're just lost. I don't know if it's very that. Right now, Ryan and Chuck 0.9 apart of this battle, second and third. We got 45 seconds remaining. There's Ryan, there's Chuck. Chuck and Brandon's back on
Come on.